Welcome back, woodpeckers! Here you see what pallets in your living room might look like. We wanted a cozy look and did not get what we paid for because we paid $0. You just have to invest the time to do it. Putting the boards on top of old MDF gave us a great and easy way of fastening them. It also opened up the possibilities of creating a secret door, a wall-hang TV bench, and a way of hiding TV cables. After 4 years, we still love how this looks like. And since sharing is caring, take it away, Sam.
Yes, hello. As you can see, we have a pallet wall over here, and we were so happy about it. We wanted to do the rest of the living room in pallets, so that's what I'm working on now. Putting up these pallet boards on the wall is no science. I just positioned them so it'll be the optimal position as to how it connects to different areas like the window and things. I do some measurements, and now I'm just using a small nailing gun to put them up on the wall. They'll stick like a charm. And for every layer of plank, I do a little black or dark color on the side, because there will be a shrinkage on the planks, so that when you have this in the background, you won't see the white colors. So if you got a dark colored wall, you don't need to paint, but if you got a white wall, you should do at least a little paint, and then another board, nail it on, and then you'll do another dark coloring on the top there.
Hi, Papa.
Now, if you set up the pallets like this, wide, narrow, you will get the professional look that you're after. When it comes to dark interior, all the Norwegians that live in their white-walled houses are scared of them, and they all say the same, "But it will become so dark." It is true that dark colors reflect less light than light colors, but you will still need to turn on a light to see. Personally, I love this wooden look, and during summertime, when the sun is up forever, we can create our own relaxed escape right here. And on that bombshell,